How to add cash on delivery method on WordPress. Easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can add cash on delivery options for your WordPress website. So let's get into it. Now we are going to be using two simple plugins to enable cash on delivery features on your WordPress website. And to get started, all you have to do is head on over to your WordPress website dashboard. So I am on my dashboard over here, and you can see I haven't built this actual site yet. This is just like a sample that I have loaded up for now. It is not a developed website. But how do you add a cash on delivery option to a e-commerce store that you have already built? Well, it's very simple. We're going to go into our plugins over here. And once you go into your plugins, you're going to click on Add New. And then once we click on there, we're just going to add the WooCommerce plugin. So you're just going to select WooCommerce. So over here, you're going to click on Install Now, and this will install the WooCommerce plugin onto your WordPress website. So we're just waiting for the installation to be completed. Once the installation is completed, you can head on over to installed plugins and then actually view the plugin that has been installed. And you're going to activate your plugin. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds, and just like that, once it has been installed, you can go into your installed plugins and click on Activate. And now the WooCommerce plugin will now be activated. Now this will help you sell anything on your WordPress website using WooCommerce. Once you have done that, you can see on the left side of your screen, you have your navigation panel, and now WooCommerce is in your navigation panel. So just click on WooCommerce in the navigation panel over here, and you can see you have multiple different getting started or setting up your WooCommerce store options. So you can just scroll down, or you can go step by step, or simply just go into your settings over here. And once you go into your WooCommerce settings, so right now we're in our WooCommerce settings, what you're going to do is you're going to click on payments. And once you click on payments, you can scroll down and you can see you have direct bank transfer, you have check payments, and on the bottom you have cash on delivery. So to enable cash on delivery, you're just going to click on this button. And now cash on delivery is now available on your store. So now people can purchase and from your WordPress website, and they can pay with cash on the delivery of the item. Now you can also click on Finish Setup on the right side of your screen to finish setting up the cash on delivery option. So over here, this is the title, description, instructions, and enable for shipping method. So let's say that we want this only to be enabled for people that are doing a local pickup method. We do not accept COD if the order is a virtual order, obviously. That is another thing that you can do. And now you're going to click on Save Changes. And now you have customized the settings of cash on delivery. So this is only enabled for local pickup methods where people are going to pick up their orders. Now, this is just the simple enabling of cash on delivery on your e-commerce store. If you want to add more features to your WordPress website, then you can simply scroll down, go into plugins, click on installed plugins, just click on plugins, click on add new. And then you're just going to search for WooCommerce once again. And now once you search for WooCommerce, you can see WooCommerce actually has multiple different website integrations. So they also have Stripe payment getaways, they have PayPal, they have shipping and taxation calculators, as well as payment calculators for your website. So if you're not using WooCommerce to build your website, you can simply use WooCommerce to set up your payment methods. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to search for WooCommerce and then search for cash. Now, over here, you have this plugin called WooCommerce Smart Cash. And these are all the restrictions and extra fees that you can inculcate in your cash on delivery system. So you're just going to click on Install Now for WooCommerce Smart COD. And once the plugin has been installed, you're going to click on Activate. Once you've clicked on Activate, you are simply just going to go into the settings of WooCommerce Smart COD. And now over here, you can actually add more specifications to cash on delivery. So you can see over here, previously we only had settings that are applicable over here. Now below that, you can disable cash on delivery to certain zones. Let's say that you don't want to provide cash on delivery for international orders. So you're just simply going to input those areas. Below that, you have specific countries that you can disable cash on delivery for as well. You also have specific states you can enter, cities, and you can also disable is if the cart amount is greater or equal than a certain amount. So let's say that you don't want to send out super large orders on cash on delivery, then you can enter a limiting amount. So let's say that I don't want to ship anything over $100 for cash on delivery. I'm just going to enter the amount, and if it is greater or lower than this limit, then it would be disabled. Now, you can also add specific user roles where it would be disabled, but we're just going to skip that. Then you also have product category restriction. So if a person wants to deliver with cash on delivery, they can choose to a specific restricted, like they will have to order a minimum number of products or a maximum number of products. And there could be certain products that you can reserve that are not going to be available for cash on delivery as well. So you can also do that to further categorize or set up cash on delivery for more specific items as well. Now, like this, you can disable it on specific product categories. Let's say that you ship tea sets or breakable items, mirrors, anything like that. So you can disable cash on delivery for those specific items. And then you also have specific products that you can disable it on, as well as specific shipping classes, or you can also disable it on specific shipping methods of zone. Now, below that, you also have extra fees. So let's say that you want to charge 2% extra for cash on delivery, and then you can also provide a cash on delivery unavailable message. So let's say that we want to provide that unavailable by restricted shipping method. So this would be the cash on delivery message, the unavailable message that would appear on the customer screen if they are from a restricted area or if they are ordering via a restricted shipping method where cash on delivery is not going to be applied. Now below that, you can add extra fee taxes as well. So you can also add this for more deductibles on your shipping methods. And then below that, you also have specific disabling options if the cart amount is greater or equal to a specific limit. Now, below that, you can also see what should be included to the cart amount, which would be taxes and shipping costs, and then extra fee could be differently charged for specific areas. So let's say that for a local pickup, I charge 10 USD, and now I can just click on Save Changes, and now all of the specifications that I've added will be saved to my cash on delivery options on my e-commerce website, and now customers will be able to see whether or not they are eligible for cash on delivery for a specific area and for a specific amount on their order. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below. And make sure to check out our other videos on setting up your WordPress website with these simple plugins. And I will catch you guys in the next video.